Guys, this is our 2024 Y62 Patrol, and it looks really tough, but it does have a problem. So we jump inside and turn it on, and guys, the car looks tough, but this is what it sounds like. Now I know it is a little bit of a mum-mobile, like it's not a sports car, but it should not sound that bad. So today we're gonna be doing a mod that I've been itching to do, and that is a catback exhaust system. So let's get this car inside and get onto it. And before we take it inside, guys, how good is it looking with the digital dash and the 16-inch head unit? Everything is looking amazing. Everyone needs to reach out to Lucas to hurry up and get him to come here and wrap this wood grain because we don't like it. But that's pretty much it. Let's get this car inside and make it sound how it looks. All right, guys, check it out. First time on the hoist. First time on our hoist, actually. And here we have the underbody. Now look at the size of this muffler. This is huge. So I see when people say doing a mid muffler makes a big difference, because this muffler is absolutely massive. Anyway, speaking of mufflers, let's have a look at what we've got for this car. So right here is a catback exhaust, and I did a lot of research online. I've been doing research since we bought this car a year ago, and I finally committed to Promax. That is the exhaust that everybody recommends sounds the best. I went to Promax exhaust to pick it up, and the guys are absolutely phenomenal to deal with, very friendly. And I did tell him we were worried that it was going to be a little too loud, and he assured us it's going to be perfect, but if not, they'd be happy to swap out the mufflers. Just really, really accommodating, and that's what we like to see. I love to see guys like that in the Y62 community. So that's a good sign. And literally, if you go on any post, Y62 exhaust, this Promax system comes up all the time. So this is the extreme. It's not their loudest, it's not their quietest, it's the mid-range. It's the one they sell the most of, and it's a catback system. So I'm so excited for this. We're gonna start with this rear muffler right above my head here. It goes, let me show you like this. It kind of goes here, and then it goes up over this K-frame, I think they call it, and it bolts up to the muffler through here. So we're gonna undo those two, and I'll rip it off an exhaust hanger, and then this will sort of come out that way, and then I'll work on the big pipe over there, and then we'll basically start replacing the exhaust with this. So from what I can see, it doesn't look like a huge job. It actually looks like it's going to be pretty quick, but there's always a but. There'll be something that gets in the way. The exhaust hangers will be annoying, so we might spray some lube on them right now, but otherwise, let's get into it. I know technically we shouldn't, but have you ever heard a Patrol start up with no exhaust on? Neither, so I think we should. All right, are you guys ready for this? Let's go. Oh, it actually sounds good. It actually sounds pretty good. That actually sounded pretty good. It was very loud, but not as loud as I was expecting. We're going back up, and then we can put the Promax system on, and then we'll really hear it. And here she is, guys, all unpacked, the Promax system. So here we have our brand new rear muffler with a nice black tip. We've got some piping here, which we see we have a bit of an X pipe going on here. Hot dog mufflers, so this is gonna replace that massive muffler that we saw in the middle. We've got some more piping here, flex pipe, and more piping there. So how it looks and feels so far is really, really good. And apparently how it sounds is really good too. And we'll hear that very soon. Have a look at how much better that looks. Now, when you're putting it in, if you're DIYing this, start with this bit here. It goes into the original hangers, or if you've got new hangers, you can throw them on. And then you leave that, come back. On this side, facing the front, we've got that flex pipe here. That goes to Cat 1. There's another little pipe that goes from Cat 2 right to here. And then there's another pipe, which is an extension pipe, which goes up over to here, and then the muffler connects onto that. So that's these pieces here: muffler, extension pipe, Cat 2 pipe. And then somewhere over there, there's a bunch of gaskets for every single connection. Get a look at it, guys. It's all coming together. Now, for the new section where it mates up to the original section, we've kept the original mounting hardware right here. And basically for every other spot, we're using the hardware that comes in the kit, and we've just got everything hand tight for now until it's all in and ready to go. Here we go, moment of truth. It definitely looks the part, that's for sure. We're all done, tightened up, and ready to go. Have a look at how good this thing looks. All the way down, and then you just see this massive muffler right there. I'm so excited to get this thing down and start it up. Let's do it. All right, guys, the real first start with the exhaust all done. Let's go. Okay, it's definitely not too much, for sure. I was expecting a lot more than that, and it's, you know, it's I don't know if you can, I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the video, but it definitely is not overkill. This car ready to go. Ghost code is in. Let's go. So I actually need to go and get some petrol, so I might get one of the guys to give us a flyby, drive-by. There we go. Let's get some drive-by action, guys. Oh yeah, that sounds great. Wow, that's phenomenal. That's perfect. There it is, guys. That is the Promax exhaust all finished, and it wouldn't be a typical Melbourne day if it didn't start raining right after we finished the video and had the car washed. That's okay. It sounds fantastic. If you're thinking about getting an exhaust for the Y62 and you're tossing up like a bunch of different exhausts like I was, don't count out the Promax. The guys there know what they're talking about. I told him what I wanted. He said, this is the one. I've listened to it. It is the one. Inside the car, it's not too loud, it's not overstated, it's not a show car, it's not a sports car, right? But outside, you get to hear that V8 rumble. Now, for some people, it's not going to be loud enough. For you guys that want big beast loud exhaust, this is not it. This is a definitely way louder than factory, but still not overly loud, you know, and no drone and none of that. So I'm going to drive this thing home and we'll do some more testing, and if I have anything to report back, I'll put it at the end of this video. But from what we've done so far, this exhaust is perfect. If you have any questions about the install or the exhaust or anything like that, drop them in the comments below. If you want to reach out to us for any of your Y62 stuff, the head units, the dashes, dual battery systems, even exhausts, I will fit exhausts for you guys because we did it on ours and I'm happy to do it. The car fits on the hoist, no problem, so we can do that. And that's pretty much it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you like the Y62 content, let me know and I'll drop way more. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.